Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make an easy Origami Samurai Helmet. First, place a piece of origami with colored plain side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. This time, let's bring the top part down to the bottom, looking like a reverse triangle. Fold the right part alongside the vertical center line and do the same for the left side. Now it's a perfect square. Take the top right flap and fold up along the vertical center line and do the same for the top left flap. Take the top right flap and fold back a bit to make a smaller triangle. And do the same for the top left flap. So far, both sides look symmetrical. Fold the bottom up closer to the top. Grab the only upper piece of paper. Fold again at the center line. Turn it over and fold the remaining part up closer to the top and fold again at the center line to match with the other side. Then you're done. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!